Testing.
Dengar.
Testing.
Okay. Tak apa speaker kita.
Speaker kita tak nak.
Tak dengar.
Kita speaker macam mana?
Sound
kat bawah kita. Melainkan ni.
Oh, okay. So tak perlu lah. Okay, kita start. So hello, good morning everyone. So sorry a bit late today because we have a few technical problem, and then we try to have a new setup lah for today's session. So we are having live in our HQ, Cytron HQ at Penang. So yeah, we'll just use only one camera, and Koyum will share screen from his laptop. Okay, Koyum can share the screen.
Okay, so tengok. We can see new product for this week. So we start with.
So before we start, yang mana dah join tu, can you give feedback? Okay tak dengan setup sekarang? Can you boleh dengar jelas tak? Boleh nampak dengan okay tak?
The voice, suara
the voice semua. So kalau tak okay, please comment and then we try to fix lah on the spot. Okay, so sebentar tunggu yang lain join, we'll start first lah. Because we got a few product juga for today.
Okay, boleh dengar
so
jelas.
Ada komen Jetty, okay boleh dengar jelas. Hi. Thank you for the feedback.
Okay, kita start dengan Pico.
Okay, so Pico ni kita baru launch I think last 2 week Pico, and then we also have done a live special untuk Pico ni. That one we collaborate with I think JPN Johor kot. So banyak yang cikgu yang join live tu. So maybe yang mana yang join live sebelum ni, yang Pico punya tu dah familiar lah Pico ni apa. But during this live, kita akan go through balik sikit apa itu Pico kan. What is Pico?
So apa dia ni? Pico ni dia pakai board Raspberry Pi Pico kan?
Raspberry Pi Pico W. So Pico, we have 2 variant of Pico, right? Pico W and Pico. So for Pico, we use Pico W, which is with wireless. So we can do IT projects with Pico. So we also have the product with us. Maybe you can show a bit lah. So it comes nice in this box. So dia macam EduBit. Kalau pernah tengok EduBit kan, EduBit pun kotak macam ni. But in I think blue color kot. Blue color. So similar design, but this is Pico. So what's the difference between Pico and EduBit? So sebab kalau perasan the name of the product start with Edu, right? So Pico ni dia apa orang panggil upgrade version lah from EduBit. So EduBit mostly used in primary school. So Pico we target for secondary to tertiary level education. So sekolah menengah, universiti, poli, so sesuai pakai ini. Okay. Maybe kita boleh unboxing sikit. Tengok ada apa dalam ni. So ini kotak depan. Nampak jelas tak?
Nampak jelas.
Okay, clear. So dekat first page dalam kotak ni dia akan ada labeling untuk Pico. So dia tunjuklah komponen apa yang included dalam Pico ni. And then dekat bawah kita ada table of content. So table of content ni untuk buku dia lah. Kita ada buku. So kita tunjuk buku dia. So this is Pico punya buku. So dia macam textbook lah. Tebal lah.
Ada warna.
Ada warna.
Menarik ni.
So kalau tengok dalam. And then yang special pasal buku Pico ni, we include with comics.
Ada komik.
Yeah, to make it more interesting lah, sebab biasa kalau textbook kan student mesti malas baca kan. Malas nak study semua. So kita includekan komik-komik ni so kita harap yang student tu lagi interested to learn lah. So each chapter will come with different comics. So untuk each chapter tu maybe I can read a bit lah. So chapter 2 we have water drinking reminder. Chapter 3 gesture reaction game. Chapter 4 color detection. Chapter 5 automatic waste bin. Chapter 6 noise pollution monitoring. Chapter 7 smart classroom. Chapter 8 climate control greenhouse. So all this chapter is based on one board only, which is EduPico. Then we also include a few accessories. Ini kami dah guna dah. So accessory ini I think untuk greenhouse kot. So kita ada card untuk color sensor. We have this one for
servo, I think.
noise pollution monitoring, untuk connect servo, letak servo. Then we have ini I think waste bin, waste bin. So so design dia memang cantik. So jangan risau, dalam buku ni included dia punya cara nak lipat untuk bagi jadi waste bin tu lah. And then we have a few cards that guide for library. So how to use the library. So this is all the card.
Macam coding lah, library coding lah.
Library coding. So macam library color sensor nak kena type apa dekat coding.
Bagus lah ni.
Okay, and then lastly, this is main character. This is EduPico. Okay, so it come with Raspberry Pi Pico W. So you can see here we have the two button here, and then we have RGB NeoPixel. I think five pieces. And then we have the temperature, humidity here. And then the below one is proximity, APDS, I think APDS 9960. It used for proximity, light, gesture and color sensor. And then at the middle one we have the OLED, so you can display the data lah on the screen display. And then we have mic, we have potentiometer, we have protoboard, and lastly we have the audio jack and passive buzzer. So at the top we have a port for servo, DC motor, SD card.
Macam ada ni.
So all comes in one board, all in one lah. So kita ada apa lagi? Banyak lagi. Banyak lagi. So this is USB cable. We have the what you call USB lamp. USB lamp. So you can use USB lamp direct to EduPico. We have the USB port here. Here, USB port. Then we have one servo. So in here we have the screwdriver, groove cable, DC motor, Velcro. So I think that's all for the component in EduPico. So very interesting this one. So now I think now it is out of stock, right? EduPico
right now pre-order,
because after we launch kita ada dapat sambutan yang baik lah. So sekarang we are producing the second batch of EduPico. Okay.
So kita ada apa-apa soalan lah untuk EduPico? So nampak macam tak ada lagi. Have any question? So all the information that we just presented ada dalam product page ni. Semua dia punya chapter, dia punya component included, semua ada kat sini. Okay.
So we are also still providing the resources lah, macam tutorial. Macam kalau tengok dekat bawah tu kita ada 2 tutorial which is how to use the smart USB relay, how to play music with gesture sensor. So there will be a lot more coming lah in future.
So let's move to our next product.
Yes,
So, kita ada satu lagi produk yang besar yang kita nak sembang panjang lah. So kita move to produk-produk lain dulu.
Yeah, sure. So so tak ramai yang join. So we expect this lah because it's working day, right? So memang tak ramai yang boleh join. So yang new schedule untuk live ni this is only for fasting month only lah. So after Raya we'll go back to the normal schedule which is Wednesday night. Okay. Second product
aluminium alloy case for Jetson Orin Nano with camera holder. Oh, menarik ni. Ada video, tengok video sikit.
Video. Okay, boleh tengok application ke? Oh, ini installation Orin Nano untuk case ni.
Oh, just installation je lah. Okay.
So dia boleh mount kamera, dia ada boleh letak external antenna.
Antenna ni included?
I'm not sure, can see in the packing list.
Let's go.
Included. So the antenna also included.
Okay, yes. Nice. Right. So DIN rail compatible, boleh guna untuk industri juga ni.
Yep.
Okay. Ada power button. So the features, antenna, USB port, display port, dual camera port. You can use the camera.
So you can see there is DP interface. Don't confuse DP is not HDMI. Dia punya bentuk similar lah HDMI tapi kalau pasal one side is straight, one side is sengit sikit. So this is DP.
Source opening, active passive cooling. Active one ada, passive.
So dia ada fan dengan passive lah sebab dia punya case itself is aluminium.
Right.
So this is for Jetson Orin Nano lah. You cannot use for other board macam Raspberry Pi ke, Jetson B01 ke, tak boleh. So this is only for Orin Nano.
Okay. So do you have any question? Roy Chipeng, hi semua. Hi, good morning.
Hi Roy Chipeng. Morning. Chris,
hi. Okay.
Hi everyone. So ada yang baru start nak join.
Okay. So do you have any question? We can move to next product.
Okay, the third product.
Third product for today. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, boleh share.
Okay, so this one we have a new case for Raspberry Pi 5. So case dia kita ada kat sini. So dia fully enclosed. Ni dia ada screw.
Yes.
So buka.
Need to remove the screw. So the screw need to use the Allen key, right?
Allen key.
So Allen key is provided in the packing list.
Macam besar, tak apalah, kita tengok macam ni. Okay. So dia punya design dia agak simple. Minimalist. So dia ada pakai passive cooling lah dekat sini. So if we go down, right. So dia punya top cover, bahagian top cover this one. So it has a touching point for the Raspberry Pi 5 CPU, RAM, I/O chip, and then also included thermal pad lah. So you can dissipate heat properly. So it's not just simply enclosure but also heatsink. So the whole thing is a heatsink.
Yes. So talking about passive cooling, so Jangan pelik kalau case ni panas lah sebab the case itself is heatsink.
Betul.
So it dissipate the heat through the heatsink itself.
Okay. So kita dah siap buat stress test.
Stress test, siap. So boleh tengok yang the red color one is bare board, which is no heatsink, no case, the bare board itself. The blue color one with the aluminium case. So the difference, I think, 20 degrees Celsius.
20 lah.
So the temperature does not reach 70. 70. Tak sampai 70 pun. Yes.
Alright. So also this is one of we can categorize it as a cheap case for
Solution,
Raspberry Pi 5 case. So you might want to grab it while it's on discount. So 10 ringgit.
20%.
20%. Okay. So this is what included.
Oh, a lot of thermal paste, thermal pad.
So included the screw and then thermal pad, and also this small thing here is for the push button for Raspberry Pi 5. So Raspberry Pi 5 here. So we know that Raspberry Pi 5 has an on-off push button right here, right? So on the case also has a hole at the back. Okay.
Boleh buat sebelah-sebelah tak?
This one. Okay. Okay, boleh lah. Okay. So tak sure USB nampak. Okay. This one right here. So the hole here is for the small push button. For the small push button here, so that you can press the on-off push button on the Pi 5. So the button also included lah.
I see. So maybe before this, yang aluminium case for Raspberry Pi 4, dia tak ada lah this hole sebab Raspberry Pi 4 they don't have power on off button, right?
Akhirnya dah boleh buka. Casing dah boleh buka. Okay, boleh tunjuk. I can show to you guys inside of the casing. I think we put like this macam lagi. Okay, so this is the inside. Okay, so I have a few touching point for the CPU, for the RAM, and then for the I/O chip. So if we put Pi 5 right here, that is perfectly balik pula. Okay. So it's perfectly touch the CPU lah. All the touching point tu touch CPU. Like this. Okay.
So maybe can highlight a bit lah the port. So for this case, so it provide the hole for USB, Ethernet. Here we have HDMI, two HDMI power. Then at the back we have the PCIe for PCIe. And then this is for, I think, for camera and display lah, DSI cable.
Okay. So they have a question. Both together today.
Both together.
Okay, both together.
Yeah, because we are both located in Penang.
Both at office today, so we just stream together. Right. Why change to morning?
Because yeah, you know that Muslim are fasting month, right? So usually at night kami tak berapa free lah untuk live. So that's why for fasting month only we change to Thursday morning. So after Raya we change back to Wednesday night.
So that's mean during fasting times lah.
Two session only.
2 session and another session 2 weeks from now. That one morning also.
Yes.
Okay. So if sure, then we can move to next product. Okay.
So next product is, I think, another Pi 5 accessories.
Yes.
Argon 1. Okay.
So do we have Argon 1?
Oh, I don't bring that.
I don't bring.
Wait a minute, 1 minute.
Okay. So when we are dekat tak dapat buka sound, Oh, ada kelas. Okay. Ayah ada kelas lah, tak dapat buka sound. Tak apa. Nanti boleh tengok replay.
Argon 1 kat mana?
Kalau tak boleh buka kita
Argon 1.
boleh communicate.
In case
Sekejap sebentar
Argon.
tunggu
Oh ni.
Airil.
Oh, kosong. Tak apa. Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Okay. So before this, kita ada launch yang Argon 1 V3. So but the one is not it come with plastic base lah. So you cannot use with the NVMe SSD. So now we have the NVMe Base. Mungkin boleh besarkan. So this is NVMe Base. So yeah, so here at the back you put the SSD, and then this one you need to mount with the Argon 1 V3 lah. But now we don't have the case, so sorry about that. And then you get the installation. So how to install the base, how to install the script, all that. And then we have small accessory, which is the
Sekejap, low battery. Saya perlu pergi ambil charger sekejap.
Okay. So they will give two PCIe cable, and then footer. So footer for the base itself, and then 4 screw. So so if you guys already bought the Argon 1 V3, you just need to buy the base only lah. But I realized that before this, most of the customer is waiting for the NVMe base, so they don't buy yet the case. They memang mostly tunggu base ni lah. Sebab yeah, we know that Pi-Fi sekarang ada PCIe kan, so mostly dia nak pakai PCIe ni lah dengan NVMe. So untuk Argon 1 NVMe base ni, actually it support 3 size of SSD. So you can see the screw here. But for direct mounting, you can use the 2280 size only, which is yang panjang one lah, SSD yang panjang. And then they also give the thermal pad for the NVMe. Okay. Let me share my screen again. Okay.
Sorry for the noise.
Okay.
Lupa bawa mic.
Boleh share sikit apa yang dekat product page kita?
Okay, product page. So this one, right.
So mungkin boleh share yang ni stress test. So ini stress test for Argon 1 V3. So the blue color one is Argon 1 V3 itself, standard frequency, and then the green color one is Argon V3 overclock. So we overclock the frequency to 3.0 gigahertz. So if you see the graph, even after overclock, the temperature is below than the red color one. Red color one is mainboard only, mainboard without any cooling solution lah. So this case is very good in dissipating the heat. So for the blue color one, it does not reach 60 degrees Celsius. So this is better than the aluminium heatsink yang before this lah, yang fully enclosed tu. And then kita ada buat test untuk speed juga, bawah sikit. So this is PCIe speed test using NVMe Base. So you can see, so there is two version lah. First one is Gen 2. So by default it use Gen 2, and then you need to change the setting to Gen 3 lah. So of course Gen 3 is faster than Gen 2 lah. So kalau tengok dekat sini writing speed, maybe you can compare the writing speed 300,000 vs 700,000. So 2 times faster.
2 times faster. Okay. Nice.
Then the next one, we are using the Pi benchmark. So the result should be similar to the normal PCIe test speed lah.
Okay. So here the features.
So yeah, features highlight.
Packing list. Okay. Okay. Do you have any question? Improvement. Ni. NVMe Salam NVMe Mechatronics. Kenal dulu universiti.
Senior.
Super senior lah.
Super senior. Jadi ada soalan tu yang maker.
Apa improvement dari Argon case sebelum ni?
So satu yang highlight dia punya NVMe lah. Sekarang boleh connect direct PCIe dari PCIe port. So before this pun support NVMe, tapi that one is I think from USB lah. USB I/O lah. So this one it use PCIe direct PCIe port. And then ada lagi highlight. And then design dia a bit different. Part fan tu. Tapi Argon 1 V3 kami tak ada pula. So, kalau tengok dekat sini ada dekat fan, bahagian fan. Bahagian fan ni dia beza sikit dengan yang before this punya.
Okay. So itu saja improvement.
And then color full black lah. Before this I think silver. Silver color. But design for physical design tu memang I think similar lah. Dia punya sleek design semua tu sama lah lebih kurang.
The base daripada yang sebelum ni boleh pakai tiba-tiba.
Tunjuk.
Mana?
Tunjuk komen.
Komen yang ni ada boleh spin satu kali dulu ke? Lagi semua muncul ada 10/45.
Okay lah, kita boleh spin satu lah lagi. Mungkin lepas satu produk lagi kita akan spin sekali.
Boleh?
Okay.
Boleh. Last time. Jadi saya last time spin at midlife, right?
Lama dah lah, tapi and then we stop. Kita pun dah lupa yang kita ada spin at the mid session. So maybe you can start again lah. So for today, I think we have 3 prize. So maybe at the mid of life, we do 1 spin, and the other 2 is at the end of the spin.
Okay. So we move to next product.
Yes. So Argon 1 pun, yang NVMe Base ni pun out of stock juga sebab this one is hot product. So memang ramai yang tengah tunggu. So the next batch, ETA for next batch is early of April.
Okay. Raci Peng, I'm here. Dia tak boleh dengar sebab dia tengah kelas. So dia bagi tahu siap-siap, I'm here. Tak apa. We know you're there. Okay. So next product, silicone wheel. So you have new silicone wheel for sumo robot G25 T1. So 43mm dia punya diameter. And then dengan tebal dia 3mm. So ni silicone, right? Guna untuk sumo robot, design especially for 1 kg sumo robot. So dia sesuai lah untuk sumo robot yang simple 1 kg punya sumo robot. So sesuai.
So kalau sumo robot yang macam 3 kg, we need a bigger wheel lah kan?
Bigger wheel. And then satu lagi, dia punya rim ni adalah 3D printed tau. So dia suitable untuk kurangkan berat untuk 1 kg. But kalau pakai untuk, if you use for more heavier robot or more hardcore robot, not suitable lah. Because this is 3D printed, bukan steel. So we have more installation.
Can use with this one. Motor ni pun famous juga ni untuk semua robot. Sebab torque dia tinggi lah.
Dia just masuk elok je, masuk and then kita just screw. So kat sini kita boleh buka lah, kita buka dia punya silicone. Okay, kita buka punya silicone.
Boleh share kamera juga.
Kita buka besarkan kamera. Okay, so dia punya rim. Okay, and then dia ada dia punya lubang untuk screw. Sini. Okay. Dia pakai Allen key punya screw. So just kita masukkan motor. Kita masukkan motor and then kita ketatkan lah dia punya screw. Look like umbrella. Komen look like umbrella.
Like umbrella.
Okay.
So before this memang kita ada carry dah wheel untuk semua ni, but that one from we import from outside lah, Sumo Z, J Sumo, but this one special. This one is made in Malaysia. So ada satu company dari Malaysia which is MakerDisk. So MakerDisk ni pun banyak provide robotics punya solution lah. So this is one of their product. Kita tolong jual lah, sama-sama support.
Menarik.
So sekarang pun rasanya we will have a lot of sumo robot competition in this year. So katanya lebih 10 juga tahun ni. So this will be another hot product jugalah.
So suitable lah untuk semua competition yang mana dah dekat-dekat tu, tengah cari tayar yang sesuai, boleh try.
Share screen balik lah dia.
Dah share screen. Okay. So you have no question. Then we move to next product. Spin dulu.
Spin dulu. Kita spin sekali.
Kita spin sekali.
Yes.
So we have 14 viewer right now.
Okay. So this session tak banyak yang join sebab sebab kita ubah schedule semua kan. Okay, kita spin sekali dulu.
Okay. Kita akan spin sekali
Okay.
So ada 16 orang. We have 16 viewers.
So untuk price, So untuk price, kita bagi new product. So untuk first price ni kita akan bagi ABS case. Ini untuk Pi 5 saya boleh tunjuk screen dulu tak? So ini untuk Pi 5.
Not end already. We spin mid life.
Mid life. One time only.
One time, and then at the end got another spin.
Yes. So for the first prize is Raspberry Pi 5 case, but this one is ABS case lah. So you need to have active cooler ke, heatsink ke. Sebab this one is not, I can say not really good cooling solution for Raspberry Pi 5 lah, but it's good for protection lah. So this is the first prize. So kita akan pilih first winner dulu, and then kita akan continue at the end of the session.
Silver Chaw, not win box, win Raspberry Pi casing.
Yes, Raspberry Pi casing.
Casing. Alright. So
Okay, I spin
Okay, we spin first.
Kenapa keluar?
Dia keluar ni.
Okay.
Kita tengok.
Okay, so the first winner is Chun Bunjan. So Chun, if you are watching this live, please comment by 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Yes.
20 seconds.
So, timer tak buka. Sorry.
Ada masa extra ni. Chun Bunjan ada.
Countdown.
Calling once. Calling two.
Countdown timer. Set. Macam mana nak set ni?
20. Edit. Alright.
Sorry delay sikit baru nak set up.
He is here.
Okay, kita start dah.
Okay. Dapat dah.
Ada dah, okay.
Tak nak start lagi. Untung lah.
Okay, so congrats Chun. So Chun will get the Raspberry Pi 5 case, ABS case. So Chun, please send your details to our support team. Katalah you win the MPI giveaway. So we have 2 more price. We keep it at the end of the life.
Alright.
Okay. So we can continue first.
Continue. Argon, tire. I got this one.
Oh, this one. Another 5 punya accessories. Okay. Maybe boleh ambil satu lagi juga. Okay, so this is PCIe head for Raspberry Pi 5. So kalau tengok dekat product page, we have 3 version. We have 3 version of PCIe head. So all this from the same supplier lah. So we have here X1000. X1000 is this one.
1003. New 1000.
This one is X1000. So it support shorter SSD. And then we have X1001. So this one. Boleh share. So X1001 it support a longer SSD. And then the last one X1000
1003.
1003. So it support shorter SSD juga. So design dia beza sikit-sikit je. So it depends lah. Ada yang can use with official case. Ada yang tak boleh tutup kalau pakai official case. So it depends lah. You want which one fit your preferences. So kalau you nak pakai dengan official case, so kita ada satu gambar dengan official case bawah sikit. So okay. So yang untuk X1000 ni, you can use with official case tapi tak boleh tutup. And then you need to remove the fan also, fan cover. And then yang X1003 ni, susah nak sebut lah. So yang ni, you can use with official case. Boleh tutup properly lah. And then all these 3 types support active cooler. So memang dia ada space between head dengan Raspberry Pi ni. You can put the active cooler, official active cooler.
Macam ni kita guna dengan Adaptec punya casing lah. Punya casing.
Yes.
Lepas tu sebelum ni basically kita guna sini Adaptec punya casing, sini head, kita tambah lagi atas dia kipas active cooling. So dia boleh, as long as dia boleh stack, so you guys boleh customize lah nak pasang macam mana.
Yes.
Okay. So the size, ni NVMe size.
So dia ada LED indicator untuk power on, activity. And then satu lagi sekejap nak highlight this one. So for X1001
Ni 1001 maksudnya.
1001 lah. 1001.
Okay.
So 1001. So bagi balik gambar tadi. So for S1001 ni, if you want to use a higher capacity of SSD, and then you realize that the current is not enough to support the PCIe head, so you can use external power supply. So using that port.
Interesting. So if we look here, only X1001 dengan X1003 yang tak ada GPIO.
Yes.
So that means these two boleh tutup cover. Yang ini tak boleh tutup cover. Betul tak? Yang ini
Kurang tepat. X1001 tu tak boleh pakai dengan official case sebab dia panjang. So kalau tengok, dia cover atas USB ni automatic tak boleh pakai dengan official case. So you need to go through the product page a bit lah to understand the difference between these 3 versions.
Okay. Do you have any question? No question for this product. Alright. So next
Product kita ada berapa lagi? Kita ada lagi 4 products. Kita kena cepat sikit lah.
Ke belum ni?
Belum.
Okay.
Okay, we need to
little bit fast.
a bit fast, yes. Tadi pun kita start lambat sebab ada technical issue sikit. Okay.
Okay. So next we have aluminium heatsink for Raspberry Pi 5, 4 pieces. Sebelum ni ada heatsink yang macam ni, ada warna-warni, ada warna hitam, warna biru, satu lagi ingat ke dua warna je untuk Raspberry Pi 4. So sekarang untuk Raspberry Pi 5 ada juga. So dia cover CPU, RAM, ada mention tak?
Kat sini lah. CPU.
Okay, CPU, RAM, I/O controller dengan LAN chip. Okay, so CPU, RAM, LAN dengan I/O chip.
Controller, RP1. So maybe some of you akan tanya, yang heatsink untuk Pi 4 tu boleh pakai tak untuk Pi 5? Actually boleh, tapi dia punya dimension heatsink tu lain sikit. So yang dimension untuk heatsink Pi 5 ni dia memang follow exactly the chip size lah. So dia lagi dia punya dissipation heat tu lagi better kalau compare to yang heatsink untuk Pi 4 tu. Okay, so tu je untuk this product.
Okay, we have question for this new heatsink. Ada Roger Peng, I'm sure.
I'm sure.
Tak kena lagi nama dia. Okay, we move to next product. New heatsink, this one. Alright. So this one, we have a mini solar charger module. Okay, so this is suitable for any solar project, or even if not solar project, it's just a rechargeable portable project that you guys want to do. So you can see here, right? So this is the output for your project, for your system. This is the battery, so the power that you want to store at the LiPo or any battery holder that have a compatible connector. And then we can charge. This side only for charging. You can use micro USB-B untuk charge, ataupun you can use solar untuk charge. So dia guna solar untuk charge battery, at the same time to power up your project. Sama juga USB, so you guys cocok USB untuk charge the battery or to power up your project lah. Kat sini, so suitable. Tengok sikit harga RM6 je. So murah ni, boleh lah sesuai untuk projek-projek kecil-kecil nak buat. Okay, so kita just ada data sheet. I think that's all for this voltage regulation. So ada voltage regulation, low power mode, sleep, LED indicator. Right.
Then untuk input tu, so just need to make sure that yang solar cell tu, the voltage of solar cell is within the range of the input range. So the input range is 4.4 until 6 volt. So you can use 5 volt punya solar cell ke. Just make sure jangan below 4.4 ataupun above 6 volt. Okay.
So we have question for this? No. Right.
So the last two product.
Last two. Ni dulu.
Boleh.
Ni dulu. Right. So we go for this one. Okay. Alright, so we have new power supply adapter for Raspberry Pi 5. This is our own brand, Cytron brand. Okay, so I think previously we have power supply dan kita promote juga untuk Raspberry Pi 4 and then boleh juga untuk guna untuk projek-projek, dan dia Type C. Okay, but this time we have a new feature which is power delivery. So power delivery or PD ni sekarang dah popular untuk charger, macam charger phone semua.
Laptop.
So laptop pun ada. So that means one charger you can it can automatically configure or determine which voltage or which current suitable for your device. So boleh guna untuk 5 volt, boleh guna untuk 12 volt. Yes. Guna satu charger saja. So boleh dia akan automatically kenal device mana yang you guys nak charge.
Yep.
Okay. So dekat sini nak kena highlight sikit lah beza. Sebelum ni kita jual untuk universal power adapter kita datang tiga plug. Tapi untuk this new power adapter only one plug for each variant lah. So you guys choose UK got UK plug only, EU got EU plug only, US got US plug only. But even though you guys only get one, can also interchange lah. So I have the power supply here. Okay, so that's alright. So the power supply here, Type C. Okay, alright. So dia ada button kecil dekat bawah ni. So we just press and then okay, and then buka macam tu. Alright. So kita just masukkan yang baru and then twistkan dia.
Oh, very easy
Yes, Cytron brand, the question. Cytron brand.
Yes,
this power
this is
adapter
Cytron
is Cytron brand. Okay. And then you guys might be wondering, macam mana kalau you guys dah ada power adapter yang lama, yang 17 watt yang lama tu kan. So this one tak compatible dengan yang lama. So let's say you guys ada kepala plug yang ni saja yang lama tak compatible dengan yang baru. So kena pakai yang baru punya kepala plug untuk adapter yang baru ni. Okay.
So we come out with this solution for Raspberry Pi 5 lah. Raspberry Pi 5 kan it needs higher power kan, untuk support PCIe semua tu kan. So that's why we come out with PD punya power supply.
Okay. So let's say we can standard input 100 to 240 AC voltage, frequency 50-60. So the highlight lah, this one 27 watt power delivery. So rasa quite fast juga ni untuk charge.
Yes.
And then this is the output range lah. We can go for 5 volt 5 ampere, 9 volt 3 ampere, 12 volt 2 ampere and 15 volt for 1.8 ampere. So quite wide range lah. You guys can use for any device that you guys want to use. So also support three interchangeable plug. So can use on almost any country. So we have UK plug here, full ada lagi list dekat sini. Then kita ada EU plug, and then kita ada US plug dekat sini. So compatible with Raspberry Pi of course. Raspberry Pi 5. Okay, so this is the packing list.
So ada dapat sekali Cytron punya box lah, kita design khas untuk this product.
Betul. So kita nak highlight lah Cytron punya brand.
Yes.
Okay. Right. So do you have a question? No question. It's overtime today.
Yeah, because we start late, a bit late.
A bit late. And because we have a few products that we want to highlight we want to take our time to highlight it lah. So same with our last product.
So sorry about that. We have one more left.
One more. This
last
one
product.
quite a bit long because it's interesting. Okay, let's go. Share. Mana dia?
Tadi tengah tadi.
Ni. Okay. Right. So we have a desktop kit Raspberry Pi 5.
Yes. So maybe boleh ambil kotak ya.
Kita unboxing terus.
So this is official. Mungkin boleh tunjuk kamera. So this is official desktop kit for Raspberry Pi 5. So very big. So it comes with complete set lah. So kita ada Raspberry Pi 5, kita ada keyboard, kita ada mouse, kita ada case, kita ada power supply, PD, kita ada HDMI cable, kita ada SD card, and then kita ada buku sekali. So maybe kita boleh unboxing. Mungkin tak jelas lah. Kita unboxing sekejap. Fast unboxing. Balik. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so this is power supply, PD, official one. So UK plug and white color. And then this is mouse, official Raspberry Pi mouse. And then we have the Raspberry Pi 5 case. So this is red and white. And then the Raspberry Pi board is already installed in the case itself. So jangan cari dekat mana Raspberry Pi 5 board. So dia ada dalam sekali kotak case. And then this is SD card from Raspberry Pi official one. So it's come preloaded with Raspberry Pi OS bookworm, the latest one. And then we have the keyboard.
Keyboard sekali lagi.
Keyboard sekali. So this is UK layout. And then we have two HDMI to micro HDMI cable. So you can use two display. And then last one is ini yang best, buku Raspberry Pi. Ini complete set lah. So it cover everything for Raspberry Pi 5. It's cover about Raspberry Pi Pico. Dia ada example projects, coding semua complete lah. So kalau beli kit ni memang balik terus boleh belajar Raspberry Pi. Cukup complete. Tapi satu je yang tak ada display. So for display you can use any HDMI display and then connect dengan kabel ni lah. So you can use monitor besar ke kecil ke TV ke. So it's up to you.
Okay. So this is our last product lah.
Yes. So untuk desktop kit ni dia ada two variant which is for Raspberry Pi 5 lah. So ada 8GB dengan 4GB. So kalau let's say you want to use for learning process which is for beginner, can go for 4GB RAM only lah. It's enough. But if you want to use more to higher application, you can go for 8GB RAM.
So self table comparison here. Right, and then
Pi 5 ni highlights.
Pi 5 included lah. Kita highlight lagi Pi 5 included dalam kit ni.
Yes.
Okay. Packing this. Okay. Okay, so itu saja untuk kit, desktop kit.
Okay, so that's all for today's new product. So kita akan continue dengan giveaway. So we have two more prize for today.
Okay, so satu lagi ni menang apa?
Okay, so for the next two prize is maybe boleh share kot sebab
Share.
satu produk tu kita ada apa? Temperature sensor kalau tak salah.
Sekejap.
Wait
One.
And then the other prize is active cooler. So this is active cooler for Raspberry Pi 5. Mungkin I boleh tunjuk sikit. So this is active cooler for Pi 5. Then another one is temperature sensor from Adafruit.
So semua lain-lain hari ni. Temperature sensor, casing dengan active cooling.
Yes.
Alright.
So we start the spin.
Which one? Temperature or
we start with the active cooler first lah.
active cooler first. Alright. Okay. Okay, ready. Nak spin.
Okay. So this is for second winners
Second winner. Solar Mac ada.
Solar Mac ada join tak? Kena tunjuk ni sekali countdown.
Kita ada Solar Mac ke? Solar Mac.
So you have 20 seconds start from now.
Solar Mac ada ke? Solar Mac buka ada ke?
This one Solar Mac.
So ada tak Solar Mac yang sedikit je tu?
10 second.
Solar Mac ada ke?
5, 4, 3.
Solar Mac here.
Here, Teco.
Teco 316.
Okay, so we have the winners here. So Salamat is using YouTube account. Okay. So yeah, Salamat is the second winners. We go for the last winner for today.
Okay.
So last winner last winner. So kita tak ramai ni. So most likely semua yang ada kat sini join live ni lah.
So the grand prize. Grand prize is
Richie Peng.
Richie Peng, you win.
Yes.
Yeah, you need to notify. Dia tak boleh dengar ni.
Richie Peng ada
Ada tu.
Please comment here. Okay. So Richie Peng will get the temperature sensor from other food.
Okay. Temperature sensor. Okay. So
Okay, congrats to all the winners. Please contact our support and give your details. Then I need to highlight again lah, for the next session, we'll also be conducting the live in Thursday morning, and then after Raya, we go back to the normal schedule, which is Wednesday night. Okay, so sorry, we ada ambil masa lebih sikit, 15 minutes. So I think that's all for today live session. See you next week before Raya. Okay, so
Richie Peng tanya temperature sensor. Yes.
Ada soalan lah.
Temperature sensor dia tanya dia menang apa?
Temperature sensor.
Temperature sensor. This one.
Yes.
This one Richie Peng win this one.
Yep.
Okay. Alright.
Okay, for others, don't be sad. Please try again later. Okay. So I think that's all from us. Signing off from me, Hairil.
And from me, Qayyum.
Bye-bye. Tekan dulu. Okay.